I've never made any of these recipes. Let's see how hard they can get. Warm milk, flour, salt, green onions, red chili, into the oven. We are not off to a good start. This was not what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be like poofy on the outside. All right, time to do it again. Okay, pan's gonna be even hotter this time. Ah! Okay. It worked! Finally! Yes! Haha! Oh god, my arm's getting tired. I need to take a thumbnail picture. Yeah, apparently oat milk is not the same as normal milk. Ah! That is so fluffy and really yummy. That tastes way better than the other pancakes. All right, time for something harder than this. Yay. Green onions. Then we add hot water to the tray and bake it at 300. Oh. All my recipes could fail today, as long as this one works. Please, please. Ho! Ho ho! Interesting. The wax paper got tangled in the egg. I should have cut it more. So sad. Oh, half the egg got stuck on the bottom of this. In the video, they made a sandwich out of it. So that's what we're gonna do. And do a double stack. Is this pretty? Probably not. But it came together. Barely. Not bad. You know, it only took an hour to make one sandwich, but you know. I can't believe it took 1 hour to make one sandwich. It's kind of like eating chawamushi or keranjip inside of a sandwich with a slice of cheese on it. Would I make this again? Probably not, because it took so long. Still a little jiggly. But I'm pretty sure you can get the same effect by making a tamago sando. I'm gonna finish this and the next one's gonna be even harder. This next recipe needs fried rice. I'm just gonna make a quick fried rice with whatever I have in the fridge. That looks kind of sad. Okay, I think I could do better. Round 2. This time we're adding milk. I'm gonna let the surface tack up a little bit before I put in the rice. I don't want the rice to stick. I think I cut the box too far out. I should have cut it a little closer. I can do it again. I'm using a different container of rice this time. Ah! Fifth time doing this one. Okay. That turned out better than I thought. Just kidding, look at this side. Whatever. This is the best we can do. This is my 5th repetition and I don't want to do this again. That is just an egg around fried rice. I guess we're moving on to the next recipe, which is harder. I'm going insane. This next one just has 2 ingredients. Eggs and salt. How hard could it be? I have a machine for this, but sometimes it just humbles you to do it by hand. Okay, I did it. A little bit of salt, pepper, pepper, pepper. Oh God. Damn it, there's no saving that one. It still wobbles a little bit. A little bit of a runny yolk. Goddamn internet. You know, I'm starting to think that viral recipes just look good. And it's not like as fluffy as you think it's gonna be. It's more like biting into a bag of plastic. Would not do again. All right, next one. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh. It's so jiggly. Wow. This is just egg. I actually don't hate this. It actually has a fluffy texture. And it has a taste. Maybe because of the small amount of sugar. But it reminds me of like a fluffy tamagoyaki. Would I spend 20 minutes to make this again? Hell no. But it was a good experience. And I didn't have to make it 8 times. So that's a win. Next one. So this one you're supposed to make a tornado with the eggs. Let's see if I can get this on the first try. A thin film's supposed to form on the bottom. And then I grab this. Keep twisting. Oh. I think I waited too long. Up. That did not turn out as good. Nope. Fuck at my shame. All right, I'm trying again. Screw it. Oh God, it broke. It broke. Another try. More twisties. Fuck. I can do this. No. Wide. This wide. This wide. God damn it. I'm thinking if I wait too long, it's just gonna harden up and it won't be able to make the folds. So I just have to do this faster. This is the amount of eggs that I used today. I think eggs are my personality now. I'm gonna make omurice until I get good at it. I'm gonna regret that later. See you in the next one. Peace.